Morning. Five animals play. Bird. We have two movements here. The first one will be called the stretching bird, and second one is flying bird. Okay, let's start with stretching bird. Two arms up. Bend your knees a little bit. Right leg. Squeeze your shoulder. When you push back, the two arms push back, your hands are like this. Middle finger and to the next one, stretch a bit, like this. Okay, let's do it again. Arm up. Down. Forward. Down. Flying birds. Down. Left. Raising your left leg. Up. Down. The bird form actually is in the ancient times, people try to learn from the how a crane is doing their routine exercise. In traditional Chinese, a lot of occasions people paint it with pines and crane to show the longevity of human life. So it's a very good exercise for your lung and also your balance, to practice the balance capability of your body. Okay, try that. Have a great day. Thank you.